Be ready? Start. The case against PwC and its six other office bearers as named in the complaint apart from the accused Deepak Kumar stop stanza. The next argument raised by the complainant was that while passing the impugned order dated 1/4/2024, the learned additional sessions judge Gurugram also did not apply her judicious mind stop. She failed to appreciate that the order passed by her was in fact in defiance to the spirit of order dated 29/9/2021 passed in CRWP 109, whereby this court had refused to quash the complaint stop. It was further argued that the delay, if any, in filing the complaint stood condoned as no order had been passed by the magistrate on the application filed by him seeking condonation stop. With these broad submissions, he argued that the 7 of 36 neutral citation number 2024 CRM 2019 and CRM 2024 impugned orders dated 9/10/2019 and 1/4/2024 passed by the courts below were liable to be set aside to the extent to which the complaint was dismissed qua PwC and the persons named as accused numbers 3 to 8 in the complaint, and also to the extent to which no process was ordered to be issued against accused Deepak Kapoor under the offences mentioned in the complaint except section 500 of IPC, and urged that the petition filed by him be accepted. PwC and accused numbers 3 to 8 be ordered to be summoned as accused Deepak Kapoor be ordered to be summoned for commission of all the offences as mentioned in the complaint, and the petition filed by accused Deepak Kapoor be dismissed. Stop stanza. Per contra, it was argued by learned counsel for the accused Deepak Kapoor that criminal proceedings had been initiated by the complainant against him only with an intention to harass him stop. In fact, the services of the complainant were ordered to be terminated with effect from December 31, 2011 due to various reasons including his unsatisfactory professional performance stop. During the notice period, the complainant illegally accessed, copied and transferred confidential information and data of PwC and took the same into his possession stop. Termination letter was issued to him on 27/2/2012 stop. A complaint was filed by PwC against the complainant, and on his voluntary executing an affidavit cum undertaking, the said complaint was withdrawn stop. The complaint had filed another complaint on 19/3/2012 but had withdrawn the same stop. He had filed this complaint on 25/5/2017, that is, after a period of more than 5 years from the date of termination of his services and from the date of knowledge of alleged commission of 8 of 36 neutral citation number 2024 CRM 2024 offense of defamation, and therefore the complaint filed by him thereby seeking issuance of process under section 500 of IPC was time barred. Stop stanza. Learned counsel for the accused Deepak Kapoor further argued that at the time of issuance of the letter terminating the services of the complainant, he himself was only an instrumentality of the PwC for conveying the decision of the same to the complaint by issuing the letter in his official capacity stop. This letter of termination of services of the complainant was a communication only between the company and the complainant stop. There was nothing on record to show that by issuing the same, any offense of defamation had been committed by PwC or by himself or any other official of the company stop. The ingredients for commission of offense of defamation as defined under section 499 of IPC and punishable under section 500 of IPC were not at all made out against him, as there were no specific allegations against him stop. The company had not been summoned as an accused stop. The accused could not be made liable for the correspondence that was sent on behalf of the company by him in his capacity as the then chairman of the company stock. No material could be produced on record by the complainant to show that there was any criminal intent on the part of the accused to defame the complainant or to prove his active role coupled with the said criminal intent stop stanza. It was further argued by learned counsel for the accused that while passing the impugned order dated 9/10/2019, the learned magistrate failed to consider the fact that the evidence produced on record by the complainant in the form of testimony of his daughter and 9 of 36 neutral citation number 2024 CRM 2019 and CRM 2024 himself was not at all sufficient to justify the issuance of process for commission of offence punishable under section 500 of IPC stop. The testimony of CW2 was of no avail as the contents of termination letter dated 27/2012 were neither addressed to her nor to any other person apart from the complainant, and therefore these contents could not be considered to have been punished or disseminated by the accused stop. He further submitted that the termination letter dated 27/2012 had never been challenged by the complainant before any court of law stop. It contained no imputation that amounted to lowering the character moral of the complainant in the eyes of general public stop. The contents thereof did not fall under the definition of defamation as given under section 499 of IPC stop. The learned magistrate, while passing the impugned order, failed to appreciate that there was no prima facie evidence on record to prove that any imputation was made against the complainant by him or that some harm was caused to the reputation of the complainant by lowering down his moral or intellectual character in respect of his caste or of his calling or lowering his credit in the estimation of others stop. While concluding, he argued that as such the complaint as filed by complainant as well as the impugned order dated 9/10/2019 were liable to be set aside to the extent to which process was issued against the accused Deepak Kapoor and the petition filed by him deserved to be accepted stop stanza. With regard to PWC and accused numbers 3 to 8, it was argued that the learned court's fellow committed no illegality and irregularity in dismissing the complaint qua them, and hence learned counsel argued that the prayer made by complainant for setting aside the impugned orders to the extent did not deserve any acceptance stop. 10 of 36 neutral citation number 2024 CRM 2024 stop. The complainant and learned counsel for the accused were heard at considerable length by this court stop stanza. The accused Deepak Kapoor has been summoned by the Court of Magistrate to face trial for commission of offence punishable under section 500 of IPC stop. Undisputedly, a magistrate has power to take cognizance of an offence under the provisions of section 200 of Code of Criminal Procedure in a private complaint and to issue the process when the material produced on record in his opinion is sufficient to do so stop. The sustainability of exercise of such power is to be considered in view of the legal and factual position stop. The Honorable Supreme Court laid down the golden standard for summoning an accused in its decision in Messrs. Pepsi Food Limited and another versus Special Judicial Magistrate and others within bracket 1998 SCC within bracket criminal 1400, wherein it was observed that summoning of an accused in a criminal case is a serious matter stop. Criminal law cannot be set into motion as a matter of ordinary course stop over.